Dig dog wheel skid steer loader under construction. It can still work efficiently in narrow passage. Dozens of attributes are available for customization to meet the needs of different jobs. Dig dog wheel skid steer snowplow is efficiently clearing snow. Dig dog wheel skid steer snowplow is efficiently clearing snow. Dig dog wheel skid steer loader experiment showing how it works. Dig skid steer loaders have a short production cycle, high quality, long service life, less after sales problems.